Glow Up is back. With massive looks and mega stars, it's time to glow up.
Ay, caramba.
It's sick.
There can only be one winner.
I'm here to win. I'm here to impress.
I will be fighting till that last moment.
10 brand new MUAs will be pushed to their limits as they face the pressure of professional assignments.
It's just a bit intense right now.
Concentration.
Working on award-winning global TV shows like Bridgerton.
This is the set.
Transported into the digital future for a fashion week in the metaverse.
It feels beautiful.
They'll be going live to millions.
Now it makes sense.
With influencer of the moment, P. Louise.
Hey, MUA.
They'll be under the media spotlight, glamming up celebs attending the Brits.
It was proper Barbie, but it worked.
They'll serve sickening drag looks.
That's slay the house down.
Before all industry expert eyes turn on them for the masterclass, judged by Kylie and Kendall Jenner's MUA, Harush. In the studio, they'll need to show makeup mastery and imagination in the creative briefs.
This is the sort of makeup you do to stay in this competition.
With every brushstroke, the stakes get higher.
I'm not going to get this look done.
I just can't feel them.
Can someone help?
And those who don't impress
You've got to be more.
I am disappointed.
will go head-to-head in a face-off elimination
Pack up your kit. You'll be leaving shortly.
until only the strongest are left to compete for the career-changing prize, assisting some of the best MUAs in the world. It's time to glow up.